Mr. Chase. Hey, hey, no, I won't do it.
Let me try it again.
No. I already did it with each hand. Now I'm gonna do it. Yes.
Where?
Right?
Oh.